Hey you guys. Yeah, I just noticed that the rear wiper blade is starting to shred. So we are going to replace this and this because I broke this. Be right back. Pretty simple to do, but there's a couple things that if you don't know, you could wind up breaking something like I did, and I'll show you what I broke after a bit here. But the first thing you want to do, you need the wiper arm to pivot up so you can get to the wiper blade. This just snaps up and out. You kind of spread it a little bit, pull it up. That's going to allow the wiper arm to come up, pivot up. Now, this, right at this point, it should make a click or a snap that releases it. But I broke the tab on the arm, so I had to order a new arm also, which I'll show you here in a little bit. This is how you want it to go back in. Lower part, I guess here. Yeah, I'll show you on the new one. Okay, so now it's just one nut on here, and then we're gonna need to pry this up. And they actually do make a wiper arm puller, but we aren't gonna use that. We're gonna go gently with a big flat screwdriver and just kind of pop it off here. This is 10 millimeter. Okay, so that's what this looks like. The wiper blade, you know, whatever brand you buy, it's going to be this number here, 11-inch, whatever. And I'm guessing the R stands for rear. And here's the wiper arm. I think I got this off of rockauto.com. I think it was 26 bucks plus shipping, so like 31 bucks or something like that. Got here in like 3 days. Okay, here's the new wiper arm. Here's the old wiper arm. Do you see what I might have broke? I broke this tab off of here, right here, and that I did that because when I was practicing, you know, sometimes I'll do something before I video it for you guys. So I pulled it off fine. And you'll see when we put it on the new one here that it's going to make a click or a snap, because what it's doing is there's a little lip here that it's kind of snapping into. I got it off fine. But when I went to put it back on so I could video it for you guys, I put the wiper blade backwards, like this, and snapped the tab. So here's the new one. Here's the new wiper blade. I'm just going to do it right now to show you guys. And it's okay. Now you can actually see what's snapping in there, hopefully. There. Now when you pull it back off, that's what it should sound like when you're taking it off the vehicle, like that. So hopefully that makes it pretty clear for you guys. Okay, let's go put this new one on the back on the car. Okay, we're just going to go back on the same way we came off. And you do want to index it, which, because if you tighten it down and you're down here, well, you're obviously going to have the thing lean across. So you want to put it where, at the bottom of the window here. And I could not find a torque, so just do it reasonable, snug, plus a little bit, I guess. Alright guys, we're done. Have a good one. Give us a subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. I'm trying to get this channel monetized, and we're getting really close. So yeah, if you could share this with anybody that has a 2011 to 2019 Grand Cherokee, or an 06 Grand Cherokee, or that 05 Mustang, and plus our camping adventures. I want to go full-time RVing. So thanks you guys.